Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to those who are new here. So my next kit arrived from Simon Says Stamp. This is, right, they released on the 14th of the month. What are we in now? June, so this was released 14th of May, so this is for June, the June kit. So I've taken it out of the little paper bag it comes in, just so it makes it a little less noisy, but you know. So we always get a little coupon type thing in every box, which is always nice. Gives you an idea of the some of the products, companies that they supply for. Right, then we have, there's a lot of things in here. so I'm just gonna start. So we get quite a few die sets in this one. So we have this one called 3D pop-up popcorn box. So there's a bit of a carnival theme sort of thing, fun fairs, summertime, candy floss, that kind of thing. So you've got your popcorn 3D box here. So that's to make the 3D box, or you can do it as a 2D box. So that's very cool. We have the festive bunting. So again, you can either use the string that's in here with all the bunting, or you can add your own string because it cuts the holes out for that as well. So I think that's very sweet, and you can use that all year. That's not just for summertime. Then you have ephemera slots, which basically is a piece that cuts out 3 slots, and that will make more sense in a minute. But basically you can use some more of the other products here in the kit, and you can use it to slot in and either create like little journal pages, or if you want to put a what's it called, a voucher, you know, the little ones that look like cards, you can pop that in there and the inside of the card. Lots of things you can do with it, but I think for like journaling and things, that'd be really handy because you have them sticking out all different ways, and you know, you can have little tags in there with messages, like hidden messages, or little envelopes that you can then take out and there's another something inside the envelope. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, so that's very cool. Then you get this funny little thing, which is a 3D cone. Cone with an N. And it basically cuts out this funky shape. And it's to create a 3-dimensional cone. That will lead into some of these things. So we have the candy floss, which are these pink and blue. You guys know, especially if you're like a, well, actually probably most ages, but like 70s, 80s, 90s, candy floss, pink and blue, always. So these, I think they're like little cotton balls. That's my guess anyway. But you can then use this. They're super soft. Actually, they might not be cotton ball. They might be something else, but you can use those as your candy floss. And don't forget, you could mix the colors to make like, not mix them as in mix them, but like you could combine the two so that you've got like a swirly look to it. Along with that, you also get a bit of twine, red and white twine, so that makes perfect sense given it's candy floss, popcorn boxes, that kind of thing, festival things. You then have this stuff, which looks like nothing here, but this, I believe, I will double check the sheet in a minute, this I believe is for like puffy, almost like puffy paint. Do you remember that back in the day? But the idea of this is to make it, to use it on your popcorn. So from one of the dies that I showed you, you can create little pieces of popcorn and then you can actually make them puffy like popcorn. That's a lot of peas, but you know what I mean. This, I think, is clever. It smells divine. It's a sniff and scratch. No, scratch and sniff. Ugh. Anyway, it smells like popcorn. How cool is that? Actually, it smells more like, it's quite like sweet popcorn. But how cool is that? If you put that next to the little popcorn die on a card or something like that. It's just cool. We have candy as always, and this is Dum Dums, I don't know, but it's cotton candy. Oh, candy floss, cotton candy, same thing. Depends where you are in the world. Just thought I'd say. But cotton candy flavour, so How cool is that? You also get a mini Distress Oxide cube, which is scattered straw. I assume most kits will come with this colour because the idea is that it's to look like buttered popcorn. So again, the whole thing ties together. There are some mini cards. I'll double check. I don't know if it's 5 or 10 in here. They're already scored for you, and I think this is kind of like the... There's a name for them, but they're a smaller card, so they are about, measure, they are 3.5 by 5 in size once you make them, but they're very sweet. You could make invitations or something like that. So along with the die that does the little slots, you get a full set of the ticket book from Tim Holtz Ideology. So this is literally tickets. Ticket stubs and cool ephemera like that. And so you could then just, each one's perforated. I don't know if your camera's picking it up. So you could literally tear them off and then stick them in there and create some cool journaling, ticket, carnival, you know, think Halloween, like freaky carnival. That's where my head goes, I'm afraid. And then we have the stamp set, which is Having Fun, and it's a 6 by 8 stamp set as always, or normally. And I love the font. This is very much a vintage sort of old school carnival kind of font style, and I love it. Now also with some of this, the dies, so like this for the popcorn box, this for the little the cone, you can use that on there, but you can use all of these on your like banner bunting. There's a square one there, so you could use that on the box as well. So lots of patterns that you could add, like in reds and whites, that kind of thing. Given like for my American friends, 4th of July is obviously coming up, so this is good for that sort of celebration. You red and white and blue, you could do quite a lot for that as well. So I love the whole thing. Like, you've got sweet and fluffy birthday wishes. Friends make life a lot more fun. Life is the ticket. What's poppin'? So yeah, lots of sweet. Have a poppin' birthday. Life happens. Candy cake, cotton candy helps. So lots of things like that I think are really fun. And actually, I like that there's lots of birthday specific sentiments in here as well, because I'm always short on birthday cards. So I think that's what I'm going to have to do with this kit, mostly anyway. So the other thing, let's just have a look here. This is so it's called Step Right Up. I really should take this out first, but anyway. So it just gives you some ideas. You get this with your kits. But what I want to say is there is a piece of copy paper. Right, don't throw it away. The idea, I believe, is for the cone so that it curves, so it's easy curving. I think that's what it's for. So one sheet of lightweight white paper, one sheet of Schoolhouse Red, and one sheet of Nina Desert Storm is what you'll then get in here. Those are the 3 colours, right? And then we also get, if I could just get this out. Now this is a sheet of I can't think. I can't read. Oh, a sheet of 4. Simon says fun and games card panels. So basically you could cut each of these out. Looks like they just printed on some heavy cardstock. You could cut these out into card fronts, and then decorate with the dies and all that sort of jazz. Or you can cut them up. You can cut them into quarters, you know, in half, each of them in half, and then have, you know, a mix of the two, you know, or put one on each. Make 4 cards with all of these together. they'd be a bit mad, but it'd be cool. So that's the kit. Oops, in a nutshell. And yeah, check back for more. Oh, I was going to tell you how many are in here. So there are, where are they? These are A1 pre-scored note cards. Oh, 6. So you get 6 of them in here. I guessed 5, but you know, 6 makes sense. So that is the kit, guys. Oh, I need to put some rubbish in there. That is the kit. I hope you've enjoyed this, and yeah, check back. I will have some videos for this because I think I'm actually going to have some fun with this, especially this stuff. It's going to be a bit mad. Oh, and this. Just all of it. So until next time, guys, bye for now.